Secretary Mary Muthoni has insisted that the government halted the establishment of an Ebola quarantine facility at the Laikipia airbase following a directive by the High Court. The PS further stated that the Ministry of Health is not aware of anyone being quarantined at the facility. Elizabeth Atieno reports.
2 weeks after reports emerged alleging that 7 Americans had been quarantined at the Laikipia airbase for close monitoring following an Ebola response mission in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, Public Health Principal Secretary Mary Muthoni has dismissed the claims, insisting that the government is operating within the law.
On issue of Laikipia, really, we are people who follow the law. So when the court said that we stopped. And I do not have any further information of anything after that. Thank you.
According to the reports, the 7 Americans were placed under quarantine following Washington's new policy requiring U.S. citizens returning from the Democratic Republic of Congo to spend 3 weeks in a third country before entering the United States.
When you're quarantined, it doesn't mean you're sick. We are separating you from others because you've been exposed. Probably you've been a nurse, a doctor, or a healthcare worker who's been exposed to people who probably also had the disease.
Kenya is yet to record any Ebola case. As part of the country's emergency preparedness strategy, 23 isolation, preparedness and treatment facilities have been established nationwide to strengthen the response to any potential Ebola outbreak.
So when we talk about isolation centers and quarantine centers, how we would wish that we even have each in every county, so that should there be any outbreak in our country, then we are safe.
PS Muthoni was speaking during a national high-level stakeholders meeting on cross-border health emergency preparedness and response in Nairobi. The meeting, convened by the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, and its partners, developed a roadmap for operationalizing the multi-country Memorandum of Understanding on cross-border cooperation, collaboration, and coordination in preparedness and response to public health emergencies such as Ebola and Mpox.
So essentially, this MOU is going to, enhance data sharing, among the countries, strengthens cross-border surveillance across the countries in order to, enhance preparedness and response to countries' capacities in responding to emerging epidemics.
The meeting comes just days after Uganda was declared Ebola-free on Tuesday. The Bundibugyo strain of the Ebola virus infected 20 people and claimed 2 lives during the outbreak.
According to the IHR, that is international health regulation, of course, countries are mandated to follow the guidelines and, of course, declare their status in terms of the outbreak.
Meanwhile, the Democratic Republic of Congo has recorded 3,442 Ebola cases and 1,521 deaths linked to the Bundibugyo strain of the virus. Elizabeth Atieno, TV 47, Nairobi.